Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl back. We are going to do another grab bag pour. Here's what I mean. If you want to go back and see the first iteration of this, it was for a turkey pour. I will link to that video below. Basically, I took all of my Arteza paints. I had a set of 60 color tube paints and a set of 32 color metallic paints. And I separated them into a bag. I put them in two bags. We have dark and we have light, and some of these are just my call. I would question whether some of these are light or dark, so I just sort of went with my thought at the moment. They might not be light, might not be light, dark might not be dark. It's a judgment call. Basically, the idea here is I am going to reach in without looking, and I'm going to pull 3 of the lights and 3 of the darks, or maybe even 4 of each, and those are the colors we're going to do the next pour with. What I learned from the last time is I need to not only mix them up a little ahead of time, but I should mix them up a day ahead of time. They just need to sit and get to know themselves and release their bubbles and meld with the Floetrol and whatever else it is they need to do. They will just be a better quality for pouring if I leave them for a day. So that's where we are. You cannot see me as I'm doing this except for my hands. I will try and convince you that I'm not looking by doing this. And I'm feeling around in here. I'm looking away so I can't even see where my hand is near. Okay, here's number 1. These are the darks. This is raw umber. Let's go with 4, it's more exciting. Pearl deep brown. I swear we've used that before, but it looks like it's an untouched tube. So it could be it was in both sets. That is possible. There is some overlap. Oh look, my favorite, scarlet red. And for our 4th dark color, burnt sienna. Well, won't that be fascinating? All right, so 2 browns, 2 brownie reds. How exciting. All right, let's see if we get something more exciting in the lights. I mean, I could just say no, but what would the fun of that be, right? All right, close it around my hand, look away from the bag. Okay, something that's not a brown or red. Yellow green, sure, why not? The next one is silver. Okay. And the next one is Naples yellow. And the 4th one is, oh God, Mars orange. Well, this is going to be one of the brownest paintings ever. But the green could perk things up. And I do reserve the right to use whatever color I want as a background to flood the canvas with when we start. But anyway, I'm not going to make you watch me mix these up. They are going to go in cups. I'm going to mix them 1 to 1, even parts, paint and Floetrol, and let them sit for a day and get to know themselves, and then we'll come back and do a pour. Stay tuned, everyone. Hey everybody, we're back. I wanted you to see what the mixed paints look like now that they've had a day to sit and get to know each other and themselves in their cups. They're a little different than what the tube color indicates in some cases. In fact, I had a little trouble figuring this out just now. This is the burnt sienna. This is the raw umber. This is the Mars orange. This is the pearl deep brown. And then this is the silver. This is the Naples yellow. This is the yellow green. And as you might guess, this is the Scarlet Red. So there are 8 colors that we picked from the lights and the darks bags yesterday. Now, I reserved the right, as I may have mentioned at the time, to use whatever color I wanted as the base coat. Here's a really nice blue house paint, light blue. This is PPG interior exterior. All right, my flood coat is ready, or my base coat is ready, so now we're going to build a cup. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, which means we need 9 ounces. So we're working with our 8 mixed cups of paint. Let's start with silver. Whoop, I'm going to do it left-handed so the other camera can see better. There we go. Well, you can certainly see that there's brown and red in it, can't you? And now we tilt. I really like this green and red fingerling thing going on over here. So try and hold on to that. Stretch it out. Actually, this, we'll see what we get. I'm actually liking this already a lot more than I thought I would. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I know it's hard to see when I tilt it like this. Alrighty. There we go. I like it. Hot diggity dog. All right, let me clean off my gloves. I'll be right back. Dang, I like it. I didn't think I would. It's a little Christmassy over here, but I love Christmas, so that's not a problem. All right, let's go in for our close-up. Here is our bottom right corner. Up the right-hand side. Look at those pretty fingerlings there and the lines. I must say, 1-to-1 with Floetrol really has a look I like. Upper right-hand corner. And we'll go across the top. A little bit extra red there, but you know, I'll just ignore it. Upper left-hand corner. And then down the left-hand side. Some cool cells have popped up. Here's some more of those fingerlings that are so pretty. Look at that. That is lovely. And then we have the bottom right corner. One little dollop of house paint popping through there. I may cover that up with a drip. But otherwise, I think this turned out, look at that. Oh, the definition is so pretty. I think this turned out really, really well. Better than I expected, way better than I thought, given the colors that came out of those bags. All right, now we'll go up for the whole picture. I'll try and hold the camera still. There we go. Okay, everybody, let me know what you think. Definitely want to do this pull paints out of a bag thing again. I think that's fun. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.